1. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. 2. She is reading a new book. She is reading a new book. 3. We play football every Sunday. We play football every Sunday. 4. He likes to drink coffee. He likes to drink coffee. 5. They are watching television. They are watching television. 6. I am learning English. I am learning English. 7. My brother works hard. My brother works hard. 8. The weather is very nice. The weather is very nice. 9. Please open the window. Please open the window. 10. I forgot my wallet. I forgot my wallet. 11. She cooks delicious food. She cooks delicious food. 12. We are going to school. We are going to school. 13. He speaks very clearly. He speaks very clearly. 14. I need your help. I need your help. 15. The train is on time. The train is on time. 16. They live near my house. They live near my house. 17. I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books. 18. She is writing a letter. She is writing a letter. 19. We visited our grandparents. We visited our grandparents. 20. He is waiting outside. He is waiting outside. 21. I will call you later. I will call you later. 22. Please sit down. Please sit down. 23. She bought a new dress. She bought a new dress. 24. We should leave now. We should leave now. 25. My parents love me. My parents love me. 26. The movie was exciting. The movie was exciting. 27. I lost my keys. I lost my keys. 28. He always smiles. He always smiles. 29. They are planning a picnic. They are planning a picnic. 30. The teacher explained everything. The teacher explained everything. 31. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. 32. She answered correctly. She answered correctly. 33. Please drive carefully. Please drive carefully. 34. I completed my homework. I completed my homework. 35. They are discussing the project. They are discussing the project. 36. It started raining. It started raining. 37. I prefer tea. I prefer tea. 38. He solved the puzzle. He solved the puzzle. 39. We worked together. We worked together. 40. I hope you succeed. I hope you succeed. 41. She loves animals. She loves animals. 42. This shirt looks good. This shirt looks good. 43. I can't find my phone. I can't find my phone. 44. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. 45. We have enough time. We have enough time. 46. I want to travel abroad. I want to travel abroad. 47. He said sorry. He said sorry. 48. Practice every day. Practice every day. 49. Never give up. Never give up. 50. Life is beautiful.